안녕하세요, 선생님. Our topic is Korean traditional foods. 저는 란랑입니다.
저는 Christmas history입니다. 저는 Ranchitadera입니다.
Kimbap is a popular snack in Korea. It is found in the street in Korea, and stalls are selling it along the street. This popular snack is being very variable due to its variable ingredients in this such as bulgogi, spinach, pickled radish, and eggs. Bulgogi is the meat main dish among the Koreans. It's also one of the most popular grilled beef in Korea. Kimchi is the most famous side dish among the Koreans or even foreigners. Kimchi is widely referred to Korean traditional fermented vegetable. Bibimbap is another popular rice-based traditional Korean food. Bibimbap literally means mixed rice, which consists of plain rice topped with minced meat, vegetables, eggs, and gochujang. Samgyetang or chicken ginseng soup. It is a soup-based dish. Traditionally, it is served during summer. Naengmyeon, meaning cold noodles, is a Korean noodle dish of long and thin handmade noodles made from flour, starch of various ingredients.
Salbak, also known as steamed white rice, is the most typically consumed rice among Koreans. Freshly cooked white rice tastes great alone, but when served with side dishes. Kungguksu is a seasonal Korean noodle dish served in a cold soy milk broth. It comprises noodles made with wheat flour and soup made from ground soybeans. Chop. In general, rice is consumed as a main dish, but on occasion, rice is also made into rice cakes. On ceremonial occasions, national holidays, and birthdays, rice cakes are variably present on the festive table, made primarily from white rice flour. Daeji bulgogi is a Korean dish of marinated thinly sliced pork. Bulgogi literally means fire meat in Korea. It is named such as it is generally cooked on a barbecue with fire. Buldak is a Korean dish made from heavily spiced chicken. The term bul translates into fire in Korea, and dak means chicken. A decade ago, buldak became famous for its extreme spice. Juk is a Korean oldest food. Grain is boiled in water for a long time. There are various kinds of porridge depending on the ingredients. Porridge is smooth and gentle to the stomach, and highly nutritious, therefore ideal for patients. For the busy people of today, juk serves as a great breakfast substitute. Samgyeopsal is a popular Korean dish, commonly served as evening meal. It consists of thick, fatty slice of pork belly meat, similar to uncured bacon. The meat, usually neither marinated nor seasoned, is cooked in a grill at diners' table.
Galbi is a very popular Korean meat dish made from beef short ribs. The ribs are marinated in a sauce made from Korean pear juice, rice wine, soy sauce, garlic, sesame seed oil, and sugar. Most recipes contain these basic ingredients, but many variations exist from sweet to spicier marinade. Banchan. A great variety of side dishes are served during Korean meals. Rice and soup are served on the individual bowls, but side dishes are served in small dishes at the center of the table to be shared. Because each region of Korea produces different wild vegetables and ingredients, there are hundreds of different side dishes. Dubu Jori is a Korean dish made with tofu simmered in diluted soy sauce, a little bit of sesame oil, minced garlic, and chopped green onion. Gyeranjim, mix and season eggs in a hot pot. Jangjori, beef simmered in soy sauce, optionally with hard-boiled egg or hard-boiled quail eggs. Japchae, a standalone dish in its own right. Japchae can also be eaten as banchan. Japchae is glass noodle accompanied with a variety of vegetables and beef in a slightly sweet garlic sauce. Sengshonjeon, small portions of fish coated with eggs and pan-fried. 감사합니다.